How come you said the word to Sean? That's not fair. Oh, it's me. Oh. So the English language is constantly on the move. They say language is dynamic. It's always adapting. It's ever-changing. Our producer found a few words that are now extinct. Are true? How you extinct her as a word? You just stop using it
until them say no more use. So, there are words we no longer use. Hugger mugger. What do you think that means?
That's not a real. That was never a real word.
Yes. Hugger mugger.
A hugger mugger. You want me to tell you what it means?
Yes.
It's someone who would embrace you before they thief your money.
Not quite. It means concealment or secrecy.
That's not real.
The next word
You made that up.
No. The next word is nickum. I'll help you.
No.
Neville.
Okay, context. Okay, let's play that game.
Neville is a nickum.
Oh, idiot.
Thief. You're getting close. A cheating or dishonest person.
Okay. Well, I was right the first time and the second time, so the two of them together.
Yes.
Okay.
Snout fair.
May I have it in a sentence, please?
Sheffield is snout fair.
You have to give me some more context than that.
Sheffield looks snout fair.
Youthful?
No.
Young, youthful, chef, I don't know. That context.
Marvin does not look snout fair.
Oh, Sheffield is slim.
No.
You can't blame me for that response. Not that Marvin is fat, but he's bigger than Chef. What is the meaning?
Handsome.
Oh, that too.
Having a fair countenance, fair-faced, handsome.
Give me some more context, man. You could say Sheffield snout ferrety makes the ladies
well, no charity. Word name snout ferrety. That's why I'm
No.
Slugger bed.
Context, please, miss. Can I please have it in a sentence?
When the alarm goes off every morning,
I want to just
Omawali.
Yes.
It just
wants to stay in his bed. Yes. It means not wanting to get up.
Yes. So what if you don't one who lies long in bed through laziness?
And a laziness, a tiredness. What in there? It's not a bed in. All right.
The next word is...
I've never heard of any of these.
I don't know if this is lozinger or lozinger.
Lozenger.
Lozinger.
Is that somebody who take a lot of lozenges when their throat hurting?
This person is a person. You know, Jamaica people say I'm out sweetie.
Oh, it's a sweet talker.
Yeah, false flatterer, a deceiver, a lying rascal.
Man. Yes.
Right.
Rascal.
The next one is...
Rascal is still a word too.
Harrow. Harrow is a mommist.
That could be several things.
But up to this morning, he were mommisting in here.
It's we must quarreling with.
Oh yeah, but what was he also
doing? Quarreling. Give me some more context. I can tell you what it is.
I don't know what else is it.
Harold, what were you doing this morning?
What he always does. He's
miserable
a person
quarreling.
who habitually finds fault.
Oh.
A harsh critic.
Miserable and quarreling.
Yes, he's a mommist.
Yeah, mommist.
Oh, yes, this one.
What was the root of that word?
Peacock eyes. Peacock eyes.
To grandstand.
Yes, to behave like a peacock.
Yes,
pose ourselves ostentatiously.
Yes.
You're a percher.
May I catch?
These people, well, I wouldn't even say they're a social climber, because sometimes social climbers don't really work to be where they are.
What's a percher?
Yannick Page is a percher.
Self-built, self-motivated.
Ambitious or self-assertive person.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right,
person who aspires to higher rank or status.
Okay. You are a percher.
Rosy Bowsy.
It's not a word. No, you guys are trying to trick me.
Who would I say is Rosy Bowsy? Not really anybody at TVJ. I don't really know anybody at TVJ as Rosie
Okay,
Bosie.
put it in another context like good as and
Rosie Bosie, Rosie Bosie, Rosie Bosie. I don't know if I put Rosie Bosie. Like, you got a party and you get Rosie Bosie.
Is Rosie Bosie in a good way or a bad way?
No, bad way.
Oh, so you're drunk off and...
Boisterously drunk.
Yes, okay.
Mary go sorry. Mary go sorry.
Is that like a ride that you go on that you regret it?
So the two words, Mary and sorry. So it's...
That's a bipolar person?
Yeah, it's a mixture of joy and sorrow.
Yeah, you need medication for that.
One more word. This word, I didn't know this what it meant. Teen.
No, stomaching first.
Stomaching, you tell me one more word, so I choose a word.
Oh.
Stomaching, which is given to cherish anger or resentment. I true when Jamaica people say, you have me a carry me in your, you have me up in your stomach, or you have me in your craw.
That's below your belly.
Right.
Teen,
to swerk, to be or become dark, but I wanted to go to teen.
T-E-E-N?
T-E-E-T-E-E-N.
Who is not 16 or 13 or 14 or 15?
No. Guess what it is to teen?
What's the context?
To vex, irritate, annoy, anger, or enrage. To inflict suffering upon, to afflict, harass, to injure.
So
to
Harrow, with his momity,
is a teen. Yeah. Tremblable. I like these words. Why did they stop using them?
When he goes to a dance, could possibly get Rosie Bosie.
Yes.
And sometimes when Aubrey misbehaves, you have to deal with some stomaching.
Yes. And Neville likes the peacock size.
And also...
the nickum that he is.
Some days, if you follow people in here, you get Mary go sorry.
Yes. We
have context for all of them.
We're going to take a break.
You have more word on that list?
No,
that
was the last word. We're going to tackle bullying on the other side of the break.
I still don't believe half of those
please stay with us. They used to be
Out of dictionary?